wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. Black Cartel.
Cheap Glock, clap quicker, hot mosquito. Grab that trigger, drop that nigga. Score pick him up, boy, hot spot quicker. Be a killer, yeah, Nazi black swat.
A subscriber, I all play with the boss. You want to know, hold on there. Cheap Glock are working, you know. Everything jump out, everything run out. Now I have to represent, hold on. The boss I fire some shot. The boss pull up in a black demon, crack that window. Hold on, I'm telling you what going on now. You a subscriber, the man say yo, Cheap Glock, clap quicker, hot mosquito, grab that trigger, jab that nigga. Yo, the man play. Word for word, the man making know exactly what one. The man making know what time it is. The man waste no time on the scene. The man making know. Hold on, I'm saying it again. The man say yo, in our Cheap Glock, that clap quicker. You know what I mean? That means yo, they run out fast cause a Cheap Glock, you know isn't good already. Hot mosquito, them a bite you. No play thing, man say yo, when him grab that trigger and him drop that nigga, man not lie. That means say yo, from the boss stay so you know, and hold on the trigger, you know. Anything in front of him drop. So that the man make you know. If you are subscribed, man not lie. Somebody play with the boss and the boss fire some shot because listen, from what they make some little boy I make a bag of chat. And you see what go on now? They make the boss get dark.
Sticker, every house like every bar stop stack liquor. What that clip forget the pan that bigger. Score pick him up, boy, hot spot quicker. Be a killer, yeah, Nazi black swash.
And in the comment section, more somebody tell me if you don't know how trouble the boss because there's a one. That kind of song, them can release for the boss and speak. Something I feel more than how you think right now. Me feel like some shot of fire about some people and it reached them. Yeah, it reached them. The man say yo, the man say yo, every house of a lock, every bar of a stop from stack up the liquor upon the shelf. And that the man are making out to the scene what go on, the place of a lockdown, a curfew style to all deal with it. It turned in a ghost town, and that the man are making out. The man say yo, what that clip, forget the pan, that bigger, scope pick him up. Yeah man, no, hot spot quicker. Yo, man not lie. Black Cartel, the lyrics are deep. The song bad. Yeah. So you say anybody me not say nothing more. But too happy right now. Me not say nothing more. I rather play a piece more than song. Yeah. I got a nation. Yeah.
Beamer scrap the back window, Glock inner and hot finger, lock drop timber. Them my Instagram top killer, villain at Tinder, drop top, digger spot for your hopscotch nigga. Pick your teeth, this a much bigger.
Up in a black, beamer scrap the back window, Glock in your hand, hot finger. All you know, be a subscriber. But now I'm going to talk about nothing more in university. I'm going to underline there. Yeah man. You see that line there? It's a tear off all. It come like Tivoli Warrior go on. Yeah man. And the man push the machine in the barrel. Yeah man. I said a piece of line is a tear off one place. Brother, I don't normal thing. It's like the man sing the song me. Me not sing us now. And it's like me I see the whole movement, the whole picture me I see. When the man I say it, me I say, watch out, they're on a corner right now. When you look, you see a black woman pull up. When you look, you don't see the back window go down. When you look, you see a black shootout, hot finger, you know each, it is a play and a Cheap Glock. Everything I jump out. That means what you have done over, rum cup dash way, flash job so, dog a back, woman a ball, everything happen. See you a subscriber. Them can't remember the boss. Guys are forever. Them can't play with them. It no matter what them do. It no matter what them say, them can't go around that. Play with DJ. Only play with DJ.
Bounty killer, my daddy, that's Godzilla. Who this we see the mad zigga knock Axe Villa. Feds are for your backup still a crash inna. Them one another. Any boy me go for with the Beretta Parabella. I forget it, got them, evil pan another.
Bounty killer and my daddy, that's Godzilla. If you a subscriber, bad song. So we have to review it, and that's why me there so, and that's why you know I listen because you know see a bad song and a bad review. That's what I go on now. Who this we see the Mad Zigga and knock Axe Villa fed off the back up still a crash in a them one another. Any boy we go for with the Beretta Parabella I forget it. And I mean me even on another level. View a subscriber, so the man can know say yo, after I'm up on the end and I can do the work, you know, to your police seat and get confused and get afraid. Them have reverse and I look up in them one another. Them can't take the tension, them can't stay around the heat or them see a go on. The man and the can watching them man, look at the Parabella, you know, yeah man. I guess I go on too. You see my badness, it went on a different level. Yeah, and then walk over thing, and then talk over thing, and that the moment make you know. So them look about the way chat. That's all I can do. It's on a different level. Bad song, taking some right.
Alright, everybody vulnerable, cooler than the snowman, equally abominable, horrible, terrible, cross like the devil look, cross like Tivoli, boy I'm Meadowbrook, cross like the thing we kill Christ gets.
The Gaza nation represent the man, cause we artists are go hard, you know, and we have to chat about it, and we have to highlight it, you know, cause guess what going on, and the world go, so we have to talk about it. The man in the kingdom say, yo, alright then, everybody vulnerable, you know. The man say, yo, you see right now, to me thing said, right now, you know, my cooler than the snowman, yeah man, equally abominable, horrible, terrible, cross like the devil look, cross like Tivoli, oh gosh, boy like Meadowbrook, cross like the thing we kill Jesus Christ. Yo, the man crosser than cross. Remember, you know, the man don't tell us, yo, our bounty and daddy, you know, angry and cross and miserable, you know, and the man make you know, say, yo, he is so cross, in crossing people till Jesus Christ, man, I lie. If you are subscriber, as you always, as you currently say, you know, in at least 2 and 3 songs a day, you know, the amount of song cartel release in a day and a week and a month and a year is like I get a math professor for count it up, and every song a bad song. It's not like say yo in Jack no song will flop. Every song a bad song, and that one a tear off some boy face because right now man colder than snow man. I'm a cross like the thing we play Jesus Christ. Yes, bad song a bad song. Taking some right.
Red dot on your head back, that a dead trap. Take shot, now your head tap. Body shell shock, you make chat. We a make back, pussy step back. End that, picture get snap, pull a 10 pack.
And if you are a subscriber, you feel like you want a freestyle. That piece of last liner. The man say, yo, I read that on your head back. Well, I know. The man say, I read that on your head back. That means, you know, at the scope, at the sniper style. The man at the red beam on your head. The man say, yo, that a dead trap. Take shot, no head tap, body shell shock. You make chat, we can make bat. Pussy step back, yeah? End that. Picture get snap and pull a 10 pack. Those youth bars, bars. And that me I tell you now. So the man I make you know say yo, from the ghost for your ghost, I used to be red beam on your head back. You know what I mean? You mean I say yo, that a dead trap. You know what I mean? You take shot in your head top. Your body gets shell shock, your body shiver because you can't believe where your head feel a while ago. The man say yo, pussy, you know make talk and we are make bat. You know what I mean? Yeah man. The man say yo, end that. Picture get snap. Yeah man, put it on the DP man. And pull a 10 pack and smoke and laugh. You know what I lie? If you are subscriber, that's on your heart. That's on your heart. And you can't deny that. You can't go around that. You can't go around that. If you go around that, it's not because you know the bar. At the end of the day, in the back of the mind, you say it sound bad, but you just don't want to give the money credit when you get. But that's how it go. I say I represent. I'm a true Gaza fan out there. And we now stop say Gaza.
That dung a bedrock, some a get hot. when the tech knock. Mince bones gonna get cracked like a head drop. Flip mode, bust a sense trap for the ends lock. Test shot, we no play skimmage badness. Target.
Yo, some people I go tell me say yo, cartel must sit down and go and chill out and build time in a prison. And I tell them say yo, why is it that so? Because over the road now sing the song them want to hear. A song like this, when the man has spit so much things they never heard before in this kind of way, never yet. It is so fresh. The man sound like him just touch the scene and a burnt the road. I saw the man sound. The man has spit. Right now the man have no competition in a film musical journey right now. We didn't know. He have no competition right now. Me I tell him that. Me I afraid from say that. Because the man making you say yo, you are feds that then a bedrock man to yo. Big chrome somebody get hot when the tech knock. You know what I mean? Mince bone, skull get crack like egg drop. Film mode, buster sense trap for the ends lock. You know what I mean? So shipments come in and we are going to lock out ends really weird. The man say yo, Tesha, me no play skimmage badness and then a small thing, a big league thing there. Target murder. So we no play. When you go up on the road, we no play other skimmage things and I look up at the things around. You know what I mean? A big league. Hold on. Now when I really gather from them in the comment section, let me know. Yo, the song body of fuck. I have to say that. The song hot. The song a burn up. Yo, the song just drop. I mean, I tell you, say, yo, the amount of views the song I rack up already. The song had a trend and it dropped within like the last 6 hours and I rack up the views them already. I tell you, the song hot.
Target murder, not target practice. Light them body bonnet, hot spliff. Terrorists when no take no hostage. So you say you're special but you're very average.
See right now, me I go be honest to you. Me I go be 100% honest to you. I'm afraid. Me not say nothing up on the review. Me don't talk as a god. At the Irons boss, at the Irons in TV. In the comment section, if you're a subscriber, leave a comment. Me don't think more the singer. Me say me don't talk. Me not have nothing more to say. I'm out.
Ya sing about killing, we are real savage. Young a bag walk hard and make killers active a country, but I no last we a bring. She black.